This is where 70 million Hershey's chocolates are born every single day. 70 million bars made daily. But how?
The journey of every Hershey's chocolate bar begins in tropical cocoa farms across West Africa and South America.
Cacao trees exhibit cauliflory, meaning pods grow directly from the trunk and main branches.
Skilled harvesters use specially curved machetes to cut pods without damaging the flower cushion, which will produce future pod. Cocoa harvesting remains a labor-intensive process requiring skilled workers. A single farm may harvest thousands of acres.
Each cacao pod contains 30 to 40 beans embedded in sweet white pulp called mucilage.
Fresh beans are quickly transferred to fermentation boxes within hours of harvest. The white pulp surrounding each bean.
Fermentation boxes hold 500 to 1,000 kilograms of beans and pulp. Temperature inside reaches 45 to...
Beans are turned every 24 to 48 hours to ensure uniform fermentation.
Trees. Over 5 to 7 days, fermentation transforms the beans completely. The pulp liquefies and drains away.
After fermentation, beans are spread on raised drying tables for 7 to 14 days of sun drying.
Moistly. Workers turn the beans multiple times daily to ensure even drying and prevent mold. The beans lose. Properly dried beans are gathered and packed in the 60-70 kilograms jute sacks for export. Each sack is sampled.
The cut test reveals fermentation quality. Well-fermented beans show uniform brown interiors, while from farm cooperatives, cocoa beans travel by truck to regional collection centers, then to port cities for international shipping.
Major cocoa exporting ports handle millions of tons annually. Ivory Coast and Ghana together produce over 60%.
Port warehouses maintain controlled conditions to preserve bean quality during storage awaiting shipment.
Temper leads. Loading operations continue around the clock during harvest season. A single container ship may carry thousands of tons. The transoceanic voyage from West Africa to American ports takes approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Surely. After weeks at sea, cocoa beans arrive at American ports. From here, specialized transport delivers beans. Temperature-controlled trucks transport cocoa beans from port to factory within day of arrival. Maintaining the cold chain ensures.
Welcome to Hershey, Pennsylvania, home of the Hershey Company's flagship manufacturing facility.
The factory receives multiple truckloads of cocoa beans daily from various origins. Each shipment is documented and known.
Every incoming shipment undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Technicians extract representative samples from multiple settings. Laboratory analysis confirms Berm's bean quality meets Hershey's strict specifications.
Approved beans enter climate-controlled storage awaiting processing. The warehouse maintains optimal temperature and humidity.
Automated systems open bean sacks and feed processing lines with minimal human contact. Dust collection systems kill them.
Vibrating screens remove foreign objects and sort beans by size. Stones, sticks, and undersized. Powerful electromagnets remove any metallic contamination that could pose safety hazards or damage processing machinery. Air classifiers use precisely controlled airflows to separate beans from light wheat debris. Husk fragments, dust. A final visual inspection line allows quality technicians to remove any remaining defects before roasting.
The roasting room contains industrial drum roasters, each capable of processing 2 tons of beans per batch.
Each roaster batch takes 30 to 45 minutes at temperatures between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius.
Inside the roaster, beans tumble continuously for uniform heat exposure. The Maillard reaction and caramelization.
Expert roast masters monitor every batch using computerized control systems. Temperature profiles are precisely controlled.
After roasting, beans discharge immediately into rapid cooling beds. Quick cooling prevents residual heat from killing.
The cooling bed uses high-volume airflow through perforated surfaces to rapidly extract heat. Beans cool from robots.
Cooled beans travel via enclosed sanitary conveyors to the winnowing station. Every transfer point is enclosed to
Winnowing separates the valuable cocoa nibs from the outer shells. Cracking rollers break the roasted beans, while air
Precision gap rollers crack each bean with just enough force to fracture the shell without crushing the nibs inside. Air classification exploits the density difference between shells and nibs. Shells are 30% lighter and blow away in the airstream. Pure cocoa nibs emerge from winnowing, containing approximately 54% cocoa butter and 46% cocoa solids. Quality technicians verify nib purity and size distribution. Shell content must be below 1.75% to meet food safety standards.
Cocoa nibs enter the grinding process that will transform solid pieces into liquid chocolate. Multiple grinding stages.
The pre-grinder uses impact mills to quickly reduce nibs to coarse particles. Released cocoa butter begins liquefying.
Crude cocoa liquor, also called cocoa mass, flows from the pre-grinder at approximately 60 degrees Celsius.
A portion of cocoa liquor proceeds to the pressing room, where powerful hydraulic presses separate cocoa butter from cocoa. Warm cocoa liquor fills press chambers before hydraulic pressure is applied. The liquid contains hydraulic pressure builds progressively over several minutes. As pressure increases, golden cocoa butter is forced.
Pure cocoa butter flows from the press, comprising about 50% of the original cocoa liquor weight. This press
Collected cocoa butter is held in heated tanks, maintaining temperature above 35 degrees Celsius melting point.
After pressing, the chambers open to reveal solid cocoa press cakes containing only 10 to 22% residual fat. Each press cake weighs approximately 15 to 20 kilograms and contains concentrated cocoa flavor.
Press cakes cool on conveyors before grinding. Quality technicians check each cake for proper, uniform.
Press cakes enter hammer mills that break them into coarse pieces before fine grinding. The brittle defatted material shatters easily, beginning to
Fine grinding mills reduce cocoa pieces to powder with particle sizes below 75 microns. Air classification ensures
finished cocoa powder flows like liquid due to fine particle size and low fat content. This versatile ingredient.
Quality testing verifies powder fineness meets specifications. Particle size analysis ensures consistent product.
Cocoa powder is packaged in various formats, from consumer-sized containers to industrial bulk bags.
Cocoa butter undergoes filtration and steam deodorization to remove any remaining particles and volatile compounds.
Quality testing confirms refined cocoa butter meets strict specifications. Melting point must be precisely.
Refined cocoa butter is stored in heated tanks at 40 degrees Celsius, ready for use in chocolate production. These tanks.
From a single stream of cocoa liquor, two essential products emerge. Cocoa butter provides texture and melt characteristics.
With cocoa butter and powder ready, we move to the heart of chocolate production. Here, these cocoa
Delivered. Additional chocolate ingredients are stored in dedicated silos. Sugar, milk powder, and other components are held under. Every ingredient undergoes quality testing before use. Milk powder is tested for moisture, solubility, flavor, and microbiological safety.
The mixing hall is where Hershey's secret recipe comes together. Massive mixers combine precise quantities of cocoa. Each mixer holds up to 5 tons of ingredients, combining them into uniform chocolate paste. The mixing process takes 15 to 20 minutes.
Clovers. Cocoa liquor is the first major ingredient added, providing chocolate's fundamental flavor base. Precise volumetric meter.
Powdered sugar, comprising about 50% of milk chocolate's recipe, is conveyed pneumatically into the mixer. Milk powder gives Hershey's milk chocolate its characteristic creamy flavor. Hershey's uses a specialized milk process that
Additional cocoa butter is added to achieve the desired fat content for smooth texture and proper viscosity.
Inside the mixer, powerful paddles combine ingredients into uniform paste. The mixing action must thoroughly disperse.
Operators monitor mixing parameters in real time. Temperature must stay below 50 degrees.
After mixing, crude chocolate paste discharges for refining. This paste still has a gritty texture. The refining hall contains roll refiners that reduce particle sizes from hundreds of microns to below 30.
The 5-roll refiner is a marvel of precision engineering. 5 water-cooled steel rollers, each 400. Chocolate enters at the bottom and moves upward through progressively smaller gaps. The speed differential between adjacent rollers.
A precision knife scrapes refined chocolate from the top roller in delicate sheets or flakes.
Quality technicians regularly check refiner output using grindometers that measure particle size. Target fineness below.
Refined chocolate flakes travel to the conching area, where extended mixing will develop final flavor and texture.
The conching hall contains specialized mixing vessels called conches. These machines work continuously.
Each concha holds up to 10 tons of chocolate and runs continuously for 24 to 72 hours.
Inside the conch, heavy granite or steel arms continuously knead the chocolate. This action generates friction heat.
Conching parameters are precisely controlled throughout the process. Temperature typically ranges from 50 to 80 degrees Celsius, depending on chocolate.
Trained tasters regularly sample chocolate during conching. They evaluate flavor development, acidity reduction.
Near the end of conching, final ingredients are added. Additional cocoa butter adjusts viscosity, while lecithin.
After 24 or 72 hours, finished chocolate is pumped to temperature-controlled storage tanks. The storage tanks hold finished chocolate at precisely 45 degrees Celsius, with gentle agitation preventing settling.
Quality testing of stored chocolate verifies viscosity, fat content, and flavor meet specifications.
From storage, chocolate flows to tempering machines that will give it proper crystal structure for glossy appearance and
Tempering machines precisely control chocolate crystallization, creating the stable cocoa butter crystals that give chocolate its glossy finish.
Continuous tempering involves 3 precise temperature stages. First, chocolate is heated to 50 degrees Celsius.
During tempering, cocoa butter molecules arrange into stable form V crystals. These crystals create tight molecules.
Technicians constantly verify temper quality. A drop of properly tempered chocolate sets quickly on a cool surface with
Tempered chocolate flows to molding depositors through heated pipes, maintaining precise temperature. Even small temperature varies. The molding line transforms liquid chocolate into solid bars at speeds exceeding 1,000 pieces per minute.
Polycarbonate molds with multiple cavities travel continuously through the molding line. These precision-machined molds create the multi-head depositors fill mold cavities with precise chocolate quantities. Each depositor stroke dispenses
Filled molds cross vibrating tables that settle chocolate into all mold details and release trapped air bubbles.
Molds enter a 20-meter cooling tunnel, where refrigerated air at 10 degrees Celsius solidifies the chocolate over 20 to 30.
Inside the cooling tunnel, chocolate temperature drops progressively from 31 degrees Celsius to below 15 degrees.
As chocolate cools, it contracts approximately 1.5% in volume and develops its glossy surface.
After 20 minutes of controlled cooling, solidified chocolate bars emerge with perfect glossy finish.
Automatic demolding stations invert molds and use precisely timed mechanical knockers to release chocolate bars.
The iconic Hershey's milk chocolate bar emerges in perfect form. The 12-segment design allows easy breaking and sharing.
Empty molds are automatically cleaned and returned to the filling station for immediate reuse. A single mold circulates dozens.
Freshly molded bars travel toward quality inspection stations. Every bar passes through metal detection and other quality.
Industrial metal detectors check every bar for contamination. Sensitivity is set to detect particles as small as 1.0.
Quality technicians perform regular visual inspections, checking for surface bloom, incomplete filling, air bubbles, and other defects.
Inspected bars transfer to high-speed wrapping lines.
Precision handling ensures proper orientation for wrapper.
Parallel production lines manufacture other Hershey's products using the same tempered chocolate. The iconic Hershey's Kiss requires specialized molds.
Each Hershey's Kiss receives precisely 4.5 grams of chocolate deposited into rotating molds.
The kisses demold onto wide conveyors flowing towards specialized wrapping equipment. The iconic foil wrapper and paper plume have distinguished.
The factory operates dozens of production lines simultaneously, manufacturing bars, kisses, miniatures.
Quality control laboratories operate continuously alongside production. Trained technicians perform physical, chemical, and sensory tests.
The snap test confirms proper tempering. A well-tempered bar breaks with a clean, sharp snap.
Trained tasters evaluate flavor, mouthfeel, and overall quality against reference standards. These daily evaluations.
Every quality measurement is recorded in comprehensive databases, enabling full traceability. If any issue arises, approved production proceeds to final packaging. Every bar reaching consumers has passed multiple quality checkpoints, from incoming ingredient. From molding, we enter the wrapping hall, where chocolate bars receive their iconic packaging. High-speed wrapping. The wrapping hall contains dozens of high-speed flow wrap machines, each capable of wrapping over 500 bars per minute. Each bar enters the wrapper with precise timing synchronized to the wrapper film feed. Sensors confirm proper bar position. Printed polypropylene film wraps around each bar in a continuous motion. The film features the iconic Hershey's logo and nutritional information printed gold prints. Heat seal jaws crimp both ends of the wrapper, creating airtight seals at 120 degrees Celsius.
Gold bars. Wrapped bars exit at rates exceeding 500 per minute per machine. The entire wrapping process.
Wrapper roll changes occur every few hours. Skilled technicians perform fine splices that join new rolls to expire.
Inkjet printers mark each package with production date, batch code, and best by date. This information enables complete. Every wrapped bar crosses a high-speed check wire, confirming weight meets specifications. Bars outside the 43 global. Vision systems photograph every package, checking print quality, seal integrity, and product positioning. Wrapped bars are collated into multi-packs of various sizes. Robotic handling systems group bars precisely.
Carton machines erect flat paperboard blanks into retail boxes, automatically filling them with the correct number of bars. Filled cartons are sealed with food-grade adhesive and coated with lot information. The completed retail packages are
Retail cartons are packed into corrugated cases for shipping. Each case holds 36 to 48 retail units. Darts. Robotic palletizers stack cases onto pallets in optimal configurations for stability and warehouse efficiency. Stretch wrap secures palletized loads for shipping. The tight wrap prevents shifting during transport while protecting cartons from moisture and damage in the distribution chain. Order. Completed pallets move to the warehouse for staging before shipment. Inventory management systems track every pallet.
Hershey's Kisses receive their iconic foil wrap and paper plume through specialized equipment. The distinctive packaging, unchained lace.
Wrapped kisses flow into bags of various sizes, from individual handfuls to bulk party bags.
Seasonal lines produce holiday-themed packaging for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, and Halloween.
Quality auditors continuously sample packages, checking seal strength, print accuracy, and code readability. These inspections.
Seal integrity tests place packages in vacuum chambers. Proper seals hold against vacuum, while any leak will allow. Products from multiple packaging lines merge at accumulation areas before warehouse storage. This organized state warehouse management systems track every pallet from production to shipment. Real-time inventory visibility and
the climate-controlled finished goods warehouse holds millions of dollars of chocolate inventory. Temperature and humidity control.
The shipping dock operates around the clock, loading trucks for distribution centers nationwide.
Every shipment is documented with bills of lading, tracking product from factory to destination. This paper
Temperature-controlled trailers maintain chocolate between 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit during transport. Onboard
Loaded trucks depart Hershey for destinations across North America. From this small Pennsylvania town, chocolate products travel thousands of miles.
Please. The Hershey Company operates one of America's largest confectionery distribution networks. Thousands of truck shipments weekly deliver
ladles. Regional distribution centers receive full truckloads and break them down for local delivery. This hub.
The final delivery mile brings Hershey's products to retail stores. Drivers deliver to grocery stores, convenience stores. Store employees stock Hershey's products on retail shelves. The journey from tropical cocoa farm to store shelf has taken. Every day, millions of consumers reach for Hershey's products. Behind this simple gesture lies a complex global supply chain.
The moment a Hershey's bar is unwrapped connects consumers to a tradition spanning generations.
That satisfying snap when breaking a Hershey's bar confirms proper processing from tempering through packaging. It's the culmination.
As chocolate melts in the mouth, cocoa butter releases flavor compounds developed through fermentation, roasting, and conning.
From farmers' hands harvesting cocoa pods to consumers' hands unwrapping a chocolate bar, each step in this remarkable journey.
As the sun sets on Hershey, Pennsylvania, production continues around the clock. The Hershey Company. From cocoa farms to wrapped chocolate bars, the journey of Hershey's chocolate demonstrates the remarkable combination of